नीट परीक्षा आता मेरेनचो व्हडलो शैक्षणिक घोटाळो देखून केंद्र सरकारान ही नीट परीक्षा परतून घेवची तशेंच ही परीक्षा घेवपी NTA संस्था बंद करची ह्यो मागण्यो पुराय करपा खातीर जून 24 अधिवेशना वेळार संसदेक घेराव घालतले अशी शिटकावणी काँग्रेस आनी काँग्रेसीच्या विद्यार्थी संघटना NSUI हांणी दिल्या.
Firstly, we need to understand that one of the biggest scams of India has taken place, that is the NEET scam, wherein papers have been leaked. So it is important to understand that it has happened across the country, and this has happened to future doctors. So if the future of our future doctors is in such a situation, where is the country going? This is the question that we are asking the Prime Minister of the country. We have reasons to believe that the Prime Minister himself is not educated, and this is why the situation of the education system in the country has come to such a situation. The NSUI across the country is demanding for a ban on NTA, the National Testing Agency, which has done a scam with the UGC NET exams, and again a scam and has leaked papers of the NEET. There were clear evidences in Godhra. There are clear evidences in Bihar wherein confessions have taken place. And the education minister is still supporting, and he is not banning, and he is not coming with a solution, which shows that he has clear inclinations towards these fraud people, and he is involved in this. So on 24th of this month, we will be doing a parliament gherav also. The Congress party and the NSUI will be doing a parliament gherav.
Modi government, failure of the education department and failure of the national, the NTA, this agency that is responsible for this mess created on the future of our students. आणि आता जेन्ना रिपोर्ट आयले it was always known to the education minister and to the government of this mess, but they denied. आज जेन्ना पेपराचेर आमकां गोमोन येता की बिहारच्या गांवांत one student has confessed to this crime, 4 have been arrested, in which they have said that 30 to 40 lakhs of rupees was paid to leak this NEET examination paper. It was also said that some teachers were given about 7 lakhs rupees. One particular institute, coaching institute, 2 crore rupiya of check translation has been caught under suspicious grounds. So what are we doing? This is the failure of this BJP government that says that there was no scam in any department. आज भुरग्याक रस्त्यार आख्खे देशभर ह्या सरकारान हाडलेले आहे.
सदांच सांगतालो की कितें ना खाऊंगा ना खाणे दूंगा, पूण आज सिद्ध जाला की हाचे सगळे मंत्री फक्त पैसे खावपाक सोदतात. आणि ते आज भुरग्यांचे भवितव्य जे एग्जामिनेशन पेपर आसा थंय सुद्धा करप्शन चल्लां. पयलीं तांणी सांगलें ना म्हणून, पूण काल जेन्ना UGC NETचे जेन्ना तांणी एग्जाम्स कॅन्सल केली ताच्या वयल्यान सिद्ध जालें की थंय करप्शन आसा म्हणून. आमचो डिमांड आसा की जी नीट एग्जाम जी जाल्या ती परत घेवची, कित्याक तातूंत व्हडलो स्कॅम जाल्लो आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक TV.